Okay, welcome everyone. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to set up your ad campaign from the scratch. So in the previous videos, I've explained the step one, step two. So now in this video, I'll just start afresh. All right, and so the first thing is to create, right? Click on create. Now, my objective will be sales. That's because I want to direct them to my WhatsApp. So click on continue. Continue. So obviously we have three stages, right? We have this, and we have this. So we have the ad set, the ad set, and the campaign. Okay, so I've explained all this before. So new sales campaign, the name of your campaign. So let me call it, let me say money making course. Money making course. So if you have not, I will not be explaining much in this one. I'm just trying to do it. I copied it so that I will paste it again. So I can paste it again. Okay, so after that, always be checking by your left hand side. Now the next thing is special ad categories. Leave it. You can see buying type auction. Leave it that way. Campaign objective sales. Okay. Now budget, campaign budget. Leave it that way. Now daily budget. That means how much you want to spend daily. Now the amount of money you put depends on how many people Facebook will share your ad to, and there's always a minimum. So let me see the minimum now. So I think you can put 1,600 or 2,000. Let me try 1,500. Let's see 1,500. Let's see what it's going to show us. So when we put 1,500, you can see it says your budget is too small. Increase your budget to continue. Let me show you here. You spend an average of 1,500 per day. Your maximum daily spend is 2,650, and your weekly spending is 10,000 days. Okay, so there's a minimum amount you can put to run your ad. Think you cannot put 1,500. So let's say 1,650. Okay, you can see 1,650 is good. So you can put 1,650. So let's say at least 1,650. So if you are seeing that error sign before, you can see that there's no sign here again. So you can put at least 1,650 as of today of recording. Okay. Alright, so now let's continue. So that means that's the amount of money you want to put daily to run your Facebook. You can put 2,000, you can put 5,000, you can put 10,000, you can put 20,000 naira, depending on how much you want to set. And the amount of money you put determine the number of people Facebook will show your ad to. Alright, so after setting the price, you can see you spend an average of 1,650 per day. Okay, after that, let's see. The next thing is to go click on next. You leave the rest like this, then click on next. So we're now in the next stage. The next stage is sales ad sets. So let's name our ad sets. So let me paste that same name. So money making calls, that's our ad set. So our objective is sales, right? Conversion. So they're asking choose where you want to drive sales to. So I want to drive my sales to messaging apps. Okay, click on messaging apps. Since you want to drive your sales to WhatsApp, you can say drive sales and conversion through Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. In this video tutorial, using WhatsApp. So if you want website, you click the first one. If you want website, click the first one. If you want app, click this one. But in this particular one, we are focused on messaging apps. Okay, so now in this part here, Facebook page, you can see my Facebook page is selected here, right? Good. And if it's not selected, you can click here to select it. Let me click on it. You can see how many I have many pages here, so select the one you want. This is one I'm using. Okay, so the next part is the messaging app. Which app do you want to drive sales to? So you choose at least one destination where you are available to chat. If you select multiple, we will send people who tap on your ad to the app where they are most likely to chat with you. Okay, so in this particular tutorial, I'm focused on WhatsApp. So what will I do? I will untick Messenger. I will untick Instagram. So I want to drive them to my WhatsApp. So click on Messenger. So click on Messenger. So untick Messenger, then untick Instagram too. So you can see now I've only selected my WhatsApp number. That means when I run my ad, it is here they will come to. So you can see my number now. So you can connect at least 50 numbers. Always be checking your right hand side. You can see, let me show you my right hand side. It's showing audience retention. Okay, so we've selected our WhatsApp. Now scroll down. You see maximize number of conversations. Yes, click on that as our performance goal. We want to maximize number of conversations. Alright, so after that, now the start date. So when do you want your ad to start running? So this is March 31st. So I can just set the time. If you want it to start, okay, let me set the time to 5. Okay, let's say 5:16 a.m. You can set the time you want your ad to start. Okay. Alright, so now audience. You can use saved audience or you can use a saved audience. I've taught you how to save audience, right? If you want to use saved audience, you know what to do. Click on this arrow here. So I've saved one already, but I don't want to use any saved audience. So location, I'm using Nigeria in this particular ad. So I'm not targeting any location. I just want Facebook to show my ad to everybody in Nigeria. But I showed you how to do detailed targeting and the rest. Okay, so that's location here. You can click on see more if you want to see more. You can see. All right, so after that, we are now in the next part, which is placement. Now, placement is talking about you want to limit or you want to select where you want your ad to be shown. Placement is like where Facebook will show your ad to. So if you want to see, you can click on show more settings. So you can see that advantage plus is on. So that means Facebook is, you are using what Facebook has set already. That is advantage plus on. So if you want to edit it, that means you want to change, make some changes. So with this advantage means that it is what Facebook recommend for you that it will use. So let's see placement now. In this video, I'm not editing anything. I just want to show you. So click on show more settings. So you can see Facebook will show you ads. So let's click on all devices, all mobiles. Okay. So click on this to remove. Then platform is showing your ads to Facebook, Instagram, audience network, messenger, and the rest. Okay, so if you do not want anyone, you can untick. You can untick anyone you don't want. So for example, if you want your ad to be shown to only Facebook, you tick only Facebook. If you want to be shown to Facebook, Instagram, audience network, and everywhere. So in this video, I'll just leave it that way. I'll just use Facebook advantage, whatever they've recommended for me. But so in this case now, if you want to run okay, so in this one I will just be leaving it this way. Alright, so I believe Facebook knows best, or that is our assumption. I'm just assuming. But if you want to make sure that your ad is only shown on Facebook, you tick only Facebook. That's Facebook ad. If you want to show only on Instagram, tick only Instagram. Do you understand? So that means you are running Instagram ad in that case. Let me show you again. So platform, if you want it to be only Instagram, just select only Instagram. Okay. Alright, so that's just the thing. Let me click on this. Alright, so we are done here. I believe I've explained placement. So placement control, let's see, placement control. So where do you want your ad to be shown? Because where Facebook will show it to, feeds, get high visibility for your business with ads and feeds, stories and reels, tell a rich visual story. So that means these are places that Facebook will show you ad to on Facebook and Instagram and other apps. So I'm leaving it this way because I just believe Facebook knows best. But if you are sure of what you want, that you want your ad to be shown on only feeds and some, select the ones you want and unselect the ones you do not want. But in this video, I'll be following Facebook recommendation. Do you understand? Okay, so I do not want this, so I'll click on this to remove it. Alright, so I did not make any changes. I just followed. You can see advantage on. That means based on Facebook recommendation. So alright, you can see our right hand side. It is showing that audience definition. Your audience is broad. Broad audiences can improve performance and reach more people likely to respond. Okay, so let's continue. I believe we are through with step 2. So let's go to step 3. Now this is step 3. This is even the major. This is the major. Yeah, this is the major reason, or this is the major step. This is the last stage. Okay, and I think this is where we stopped in the last video. So now add name. So I will just paste the same ad. This does not really matter. The ad name does not really matter. Just so making money calls, that's my ad name. Alright, so let's see. So let me click on add preview so that I can be seeing my preview. So I will turn it on. Okay, so that's my ad preview is on. So I'll be seeing what's happening. Now I've set my ad name. So identity, choose the Facebook page and Instagram account that this ad will be associated with. Okay, so now select this. I believe it's already selected, but in case it's not selected, you just click there. So this is my Instagram, because Facebook will show my ad on Instagram and also Facebook, right? So this is my Facebook page. If it's not selected, just choose on the okay, so we have selected our Facebook page, automatically selected. If yours not selected, click on that part. Now ad setup. So click on here, ad setup. So create, if you want to use an existing post. So for example, on your Facebook page, you've created some post and you want to maybe promote that particular post. You can click on use existing post. But since you want to create a new post or a new advert, you click on create ad. So I'll click on this. Now the next part is creative source. Where will you get your source from? So it is manual upload, because we're uploading by ourselves. So upload images or videos, so you can advertise images or videos, and videos are you can easily convert videos more, but it depends on how you do it. So if you are good using videos, fine. If you're good using images, fine. Whichever way, so long as you do it well, it will work well. Now format. So we're taking single image or video. Now what's the difference between this one? I've explained this already. Carousel is if you want to display 2 or more images at once. For those that have different types of products, for example, those that sell clothes or shoes, they want to display different maybe types. So when a buyer scrolls to the left or right, they will see different images. That means you are showing 2 or more scrollable images or videos. So multiple advertiser ad, just untick. We don't want that. Alright, so now ad creative. This is where you will set up your ad proper. Your creative is everything about your ad, your image, everything right up and the rest. So click on the drop down. Now I'm using image. If you are using video, click on video ad. I'm using image ad, so click on image ad. Okay, now we have 3 stages: test, media, and crop. All right, so now this primary test, this is what people will see on your Facebook page. So this is the primary test. So for example, get this course for 1,000 naira. So I'll copy my test now and put it here and get back to you. So my primary test will be this is my copy of this is what will display on your Facebook page. So best digital course bundle just for 1,000 naira. So you can see I have a title of the course, best digital course bundle, and I put the price, so that once they just see the first 2 things, they will see the title and the price. So I now told them get instant access to this blah blah. Then I wrote what they will get. You can see in this course you will learn smartphone video creation and the rest. And then I also added bonuses. You also have access to bonuses like ChatGPT, monetization. Then I also put the price, and I gave them an instruction, call to action. Click the link below to get it now. So your primary test, you have something like this. Now headline, that means what do you want? So you can put send WhatsApp message. Let's say send, or you can leave the chat with us, whichever one you want to chat. So headline is chat with us. That means that what we display. That will be the main headline. So description, you can add additional information. I can just say 24 hours discount. Discount for 1k, 1000 naira. So that means if they buy within 24 hours, it is 1000 naira. Okay. So the next thing, call to action. So I will choose this, you order now. That means what do you want them to see? You want to direct them to do something. You want to instruct them to do something. That means that's the button. Yeah, they'll see a button. So I choose order now. You can choose whichever one you want. Okay, after this part, click on the next one, media, or click on next. Okay, click on next. Now in this part, you have to upload your image. You have to upload your image, the image you want to use for your ad. So now this down here is my Facebook page image. Then here my Instagram images. Then this side, the images I've uploaded to my account, or images I've used before to run ad. Yeah, this front one. So since you don't have anything, so what you do is you go to upload images. But in case you have already, maybe you want to use your Instagram image, you can click on it, the one you want. So you click on upload and select your image. Okay, and make sure that the size is 1080 by 1080, 1080 by 1080. That will be the size. You can use Canva to design your flyer 1080 pixel by 1080 pixel. So let me upload an image I want to use. And if you want video, okay, you know we selected image here already, so I'll click on upload. So I've clicked on upload right now. So let me see. So this is the one I want, 1080 by 1080. Click on it, then click on next. Now here is about cropping. You see how it's going to display on different ways. Look at square, you can see that nothing cut, right? Look at, let's see vertical, you can see that it's displaying well. So I'm going to leave it this way. So you can also crop it if you want to crop, but I'll leave it this way. Okay, so you click on done when you're done. Okay, now you can see by your right hand side, it's already showing a preview. Let's preview this. So this Instagram Reels. Then, okay, for you to see, click on this. Okay, leave it. All right. So see the other ones now. I'm scrolling to see the other placements. So these are going to look like on all devices. So it's going to show on 10 places. I'll show in 10 places. Facebook will place your ad in 10 different places. So let's see. This for Instagram. So let me see. Now this is Facebook. For you to really see it, click on this stuff. So click on it. You can see Facebook profile feed. Now you can see our test here. Click on see more. You see the test. Anyway, let me, before I get there, look at the button you created, order now. So when they click on it, it will take them to your WhatsApp. Now look at the description we added, 24 hours discount. Look at the headline, chat with us. You understand? All right, now for you to see all the write-up just for 1,000, click on see more. You can see these are going to display when they click on see more. This Facebook, you can see. Okay. Now these are other devices. So, but this is how they will see it first. This for Instagram. This for Facebook. Okay. So when they click on see more, they will see more. So this for, let me show you something. This for mobile and devices. This for mobile alone. So let's see, I'm going to display on mobile alone. That's mobile phone alone. Then this for desktop alone. You can see this part here. Alright, enough of that. Now let's go back to our settings. Okay, we are through it here. You can see the placement. It will place your ad in 10 places, in 10 different places. Okay, now primary text. Look at our primary text. You can edit it if you want to edit. Then our headline, this is it. Description. So our call to action is order now. You can change it to anyone you want. Now message templates. This is very, very important. Now you can see start conversation. Suggest prompts for people to tap to encourage them to start conversations with your business. So this is the template that we already have. Hi, please let us know how we can help you. That's a welcome message. Then preferred message. Hello, can I get more info on this? All right, let's edit this. Click on edit. Now let's see this right answer first. So look how it's going to look like normally. This golden adverts, right? This is me. So this is the ad. If they click on the ad, if they click on order now, automatically they will receive a message from me. Hi, please let us know how we can help you. They'll receive a message from me automatically. So now the automated response that they will see on their, as if they are typing on their chats, as if they want to reply you, they will see, hello, can I get more info on this? So if you want to edit this, you can edit. So by my left hand side, you can see that we have a welcome message. So please let us know how we can help you. If I say, okay, I can just add today, so you can see that I edited it. So today, okay. Now let's check our this side. Okay, let me click on somewhere else. You can see it has changed. Happy today. Now that's for the welcome message. Now, sorry, that's for the automated greeting. Now, suggest messages or questions that people can send. So preferred messages, hello, can I get more info on this? You can change it to something like, hello, can I, okay, or hello, I'm ready to pay now. Hello, can I pay now? Can I pay now? You can put anyone you want. Okay, let's see. You can see it has changed. So this what will be the test they will see. Then if they can also edit it by themselves. Then this is what they will send you. So now this last part is, if you don't want to use this particular pre-feed message, you can use frequently asked questions. So for example, now instead of them to say this, hello, can I pay now, you can use something like a saved, you can use a template. For example, you can write, can I, maybe you are running an ad to a WhatsApp group, right? So you can ask a question. But if you're using this particular method, this one will not work again, or this preferred message will not work again. So you can just add a question and the rest. You add a question and an answer. So for example, you write a question, can I get the WhatsApp group link? Then the response, you can just paste the WhatsApp group link there. So when they message you, the automated message will be, can I get the WhatsApp message? Can I get the WhatsApp group link? Then the response will be automated to just be sent the WhatsApp group link. Anyways, in this particular tutorial, we are not using that particular one. So click on save. Click on save. So we've saved. I believe that's all we have to do. So make sure you always check your ad, everything, whether it's correct, whether you have any error or not. Okay, I believe we are done. So before we publish is the last thing to do, and you can see it here, publish. So let's go over our ad again. You can see the first one. Let me go over it again. Always make sure you go over it. Our price is 1,650. All right, so go next. Let's see the next one. So we are done with this. Okay, so the last part is next, the last stage. Okay, so if you are satisfied with everything you've done, then just publish. You know, in the previous videos I've taught you how to do detailed targeting, but in this one I'm not doing detailed targeting. I just want Facebook to do their work. So let me click on publish now. So after publishing, let's publish first. Publish. So it is publishing one of three. So it's showing one ad publish. Okay, you can see that it's processing. It is processing, right? Okay, good. So if your ad is successful, it will be showing processing. Then you give Facebook some time. They will have to check it to review it. Then it will be approved. Once it's approved, it will show active. Then once it's active, you can also edit your ad. And I'll show you how you can do it. It's very simple. You can see, you select the campaign. Look at now. You tick the one you want. Look at you tick on it. If you want to edit this now, you will click on edit. Look at edit here. So click on edit, you see. So we're now back to the editing. Any part you want to edit, you edit. So if you want to cancel this, you can click on this to cancel. So cancel, and we are back here. So it's processing. Once it's done processing, let me pause it and show you. So the reason why it's showing, look at now, it's showing scheduled because I scheduled it for 5:16. So once it's done to show active, right? All right, to show active, then your ad will start running. Now, okay, that will be the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Okay, now if you want to monitor your ad, you can monitor your ad. You can just go to Play Store, download Meta Ads Manager. Do you understand? So you can just log into your Facebook and you'll see what is happening there. You see how many people have messaged you. You will see a lot of things. So it's just like this. This is a web version of Meta Ad. So you can get that one is for monitoring. If you want to set up your ad, please use here. That one is just for maybe monitoring what's happening. Alright, that'll be the end of this video. Thank you. See you in the next video. And if you are watching this from YouTube, please subscribe and also leave a comment, like and share this video. Thank you very much.